Welcome to our video guide on managing expected products report. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to access and utilize the expected products report module, ensuring you get real-time insights into your product expectations. Let's begin. After installing the expected products report module via the App Shop, access your website's admin area and navigate to the Reports and Products Expected tabs. Under the Products Expected tab, use filters like Status, Stock, Brand, Supplier, and Sales Channels. Select options from drop-down lists to refine your data search. The default table includes columns like SKU, Products, Quantity, and Date. Enhance the report by selecting additional columns like Sale Price, Purchase Price, Brand, Supplier, Stock Availability, and Stock Delivery Terms. Independently sort data columns with up and down triangle icons. Use the search option to find products quickly by name. To export reports to CSV, click the Export button. Set the display quantity per page for convenient handling of records. Now, you're equipped to efficiently manage your expected products and generate insightful reports. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your website management.